Hey there! In this video, I'll guide you through the process of activating the exclusive promo code LEPAG. With code LEPAG on Roobet, you can get up to $15,000 monthly reward, which also unlocks premium benefits, such as 20% cashback and a bonus of up to $200 in cashback per day. First method, visit the Roobet website and enter LEPAG promo code during registration. Second method, click on the Redeem button located in the left corner of the site. Enter the code LEPAG and click Redeem. This code grants you incredible rewards, enhances your gaming experience, and maximizes your winnings with 20% cashback and a daily cashback bonus. 200 plus, you'll enjoy additional bonuses and a welcome bonus balance for your initial experience. Best of luck and enjoy the fantastic rewards ahead.
Oh!
Okay.
Ow!
Bro, look at the best size.
How
This
many
can pay
spins left?
fucking huge, bro.
Ow!
Oh, imagine what the fuck is this roof, bro?
Oh!
House.
3 left.
Blue dogs.
Yo!
Broski, come on.
How
How much is that? At least 1k. Must be at least 770.
I have blue dogs now. Oh.
Oh, bro. Come on, let's get blue dogs all the way, bro.
Last spin. But oh! It's not all the way!
It's not all the way. But it's good, it's good. It's
How much is
nice,
that?
bro. Look at the
1.4!
payout.
Eat the dog house.
Oh,
Oh!